Hey there everyone, in this video I will try to find out answer of a weird question. By any mean, if you want to connect your iPad to your CarPlay, can you do that, or can you really use your iPad for CarPlay? And in this video we will try to find out the answer of it. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do in order to go for CarPlay, we probably need to enable our Bluetooth, and then here you can see it is already enabled. Now the next thing here I'm gonna do is I will try to connect it. So let me click here on add device, and then it will disconnect with my iPhone. And now I am letting my car search for my iPad, and although my iPad have detected it, I can see my car model, but here the car was not able to detect. So let's see how it goes. Maybe what I can do here is I can try to connect through my iPad, and here it is. It says connect, so I'm gonna say yes, and then here also I'm gonna try to pair it. Okay, so here you can see it says Pritam iPhone and Pritam iPad. Let me again go here in one such setting which I saw most of the user were referring to. So let me actually search here for CarPlay, if I can really use CarPlay. And no, I couldn't find any such setting. Okay, so far I saw in one video somebody clicked here on screen time, and then here in content and privacy restriction allowed apps and features, and then somebody turned CarPlay on and off. But really this is not the setting that will help you out, because there is no such feature available in iPad that enable CarPlay in your iPad. And then here you can clearly see I do not see any CarPlay option here, although I for sure can attend the call as well as I can listen to music through my iPad, but there is no CarPlay option. Yes, I have seen some of video where the iPad is replacing the infotainment device, but that is something else. So I hope guys you find this video helpful, informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to iPad Essential, and then I will also try to explore the way how we really can utilize our iPad as an infotainment device for our car in future. So make sure you subscribe to iPad Essential, and I will see you around in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.